Hello there, I hope you enjoyed my breakfast smoothie recipe. That is my favorite one. It's the one I'm making all the time right now, and I do change my recipe, my formula every now and then, but this is my favorite one. And if you watched my last video, you saw that I'm changing things up with this channel, Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm still sharing all gluten-free and dairy-free recipes and tips, but I'm making it more of a lifestyle channel where I show you how I actually live, how I actually manage my autoimmune disease and my PCOS. And of course, part of my life is sharing my love life with my husband of over, how many years? 16 years, I think. We've been together over 20 years. And I want to introduce you to him. His name is Alan, and he is my life partner, my soulmate, the love of my life, and I couldn't have done anything without him. He's blushing right now. And he is older than me, so we've kind of shielded him from social media and stuff like that just because we don't want to deal with I don't know, criticism or people's judgments, but honestly, we don't really care what people think of us, so it is what it is. If you have problems with that, then you probably aren't going to like this channel. So, but if you don't care about things like that, then I think you will love him as much as I do. Maybe not as much as I do, but he's very silly and funny, and I want you to introduce you to him.
I'm Alan, and Carrie manages me too, along with her diet. So it's very nice to be on Carrie's YouTube channel, and I had to sign a written agreement that I would behave, which for me is going to be very difficult. So I will turn the camera back over to Carrie because she has something intelligent to say, which, even though I don't, it's never stopped me.
Right, so you can get a little sense of Alan's humor, and you'll be seeing more of him, I'm sure, because basically what I want to do with this channel is share recipes in each video, but I also want to share some of my life. I think it will just make it more interesting and more well-rounded, and it will be more fun for me too. And so we have our smoothie pretty much every morning. We usually sit down and read for a little bit, and then like to get some exercise. So of course, with the virus, we are not going to the gym anymore, and we live in a beautiful part of California, and so we're just going to go for a little walk today and show you a little bit around, and I hope you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Wow, this is incredible. Isn't that incredible? Get out there. Wow.